Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit your birthday information on Roblox. Now, to edit your birthday information, the first thing you have to do is open up your Roblox app on your mobile phone. We're working on mobile phone here. Now once you edit your birthday information, you tap on more icon at the bottom, tap on settings, tap on account information. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to see the birthday option. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see birthday here under personal, then tap on the pen icon and then you can now change the month. You can change the month, the date and the year. Then you tap on continue. It's as simple as that, so don't forget to follow the prompt. Hope you found this video helpful on how to edit birthday information on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell if you want to get more important and useful information like this. Thanks for watching.